I am Tahira Mohamed from Kenya. My research is about pastoralist moral economy and response to uncertainty among the pastoralists in northern Kenya, Isiolo County. Based on Gurdun Dahal's book Suffering Grass, I investigated the continuities and changes in pastoral moral economy since 1975 between two study sites, one which is very remote and then one which is more urban, investigating how these practices change over time among different social groups. I used a longitudinal research design centered on participatory event mapping activities, community ranking, focus group discussions, and also photo with as my methods. By evaluating this change over time between the research site among social groups, there are changes due to shift in political economy as a result of changes in governance, market, and politics, and also the changes due to environmental factors such as drought and mold disease, and finally changes in everyday activities. Examining these changes over time, the research found that pastoralism thrived despite the challenges and the pressures. Contrasting the general assumption that pastoralist moral economy is only centered on livestock transfer between wealthy male pastoralists, the research found that moral economy is multiple. It's embedded in different social relations depending on wealth, gender, age, and spatial geographies. The study contributes to this debate by finding that there are 5 types of moral economy in today's pastoralism, differentiated by the 2 geographies. So, as for the remote pastoral area, the moral economy is centered on collective redistributive practices of sharing livestock and pooling resources for comradeship. And while for the urban based pastoralism, the moral economy is centered on 3 main typologies, that is moral economy on investment and diversification, and then the moral economy which is institutionalized due to interaction with different institutions such as market, politics, and also religion, and finally the moral economy which is in response to immediate crisis. So this moral economy is more or less about defending the rangelands and the livelihood. So my main argument here, my main contribution to this debate is that there is no singular moral economy, rather there is instead there are multiple moral economies which strengthen the social ties between people and helps people confront uncertainties.